Hello and welcome back to Green Money Momentum, where we talk about market movements, making money, and money momentum. Today we're going to be talking about Soundhound AI, ticker symbol being SOUN. And Soundhound saw some really nice gains today, up 31%. And when we zoom out and look at the all-time chart for Soundhound AI, we could see that they were reaching right back to where they started when they did their initial public offering. And that was in April of 2022, so just 2.5 years later, we are right back to where we started. We're going to talk a little bit about the technicals and fundamentals that may be pushing this stock upwards, but as always, I want to first say that this is not financial advice, and I always recommend doing your own due diligence before making any financial decisions. So let's hop into it. And for those unfamiliar with what Soundhound AI is, they're an artificial intelligence company that focuses on AI voice and sound. And the main catalyst that we saw push Soundhound AI up was this right here. And that is the news that Soundhound will be partnering with Torchy Tacos. And the way Torchy Tacos is looking to use Soundhound AI is they're looking to use it to automate their process, with allowing customers to order tacos via cutting-edge conversational voice assistant. Soundhound's recent consumer study shows that nearly 80% of regular diners in the US believe that AI voice assistants will handle most food ordering in the next few years. I think that this is very possible as more companies are going to start implementing AI and AI technology, especially when it comes to customer service over the phone, as this will help the companies boost their productivity and it will save costs on payroll, as you will not need an employee to be answering those phones. And Torchy's is not just a small business either. We could see here on their website all the locations that they have. So they're in Arizona, Arkansas, Colorado, Florida, and many, many more. And when we look at the last couple weeks for volume, we could see that the volume is really starting to pop in Soundhound. And a lot more investors are jumping into this play and this opportunity. But what is really most exciting is that the volume was still higher in March. And now the price is soaring past that level. So as more investors hop onto this play, we could really start to see this stock really move. And not only do I think it will move off of hype and momentum, but also because of the fundamentals behind this company. And just as this article states, Soundhound is not yet profitable, but the sales growth has been strong, averaging 74% year over year over the past 4 quarters. And in 2025, Soundhound is focusing on growth and profitability. And with everything behind Soundhound AI, I see these trends continuing, and we could see that their annual gross profit has gone up every single year. The same will be said for 2024, and I believe the same will be said for 2025. Because not only is the company's revenue increasing every single year, but so is their customer base. So we could see here with this article, it says that a significant shift in Soundhound business strategy is its reduced customer concentration risk. Last year, the company's top customer represented 72% of its revenue, which dropped to just 12% in the latest quarter. Additionally, the share of revenue from the top 5 customers has decreased from over 90% to less than 33%, which of course for any business is great, because you never want all your sales to be coming from one isolated or just a couple isolated customers, as if they stop using your service, you could really see a significant hit. But you could see that Soundhound is preparing for that, and I really do believe that this is going to be one of the top AI stocks in 2025 and beyond. Especially because business owners, again, are always looking for ways to automate the business process, ways to save on payroll, and this company offers both of those options. And as we get more into the future, there are going to be more companies like Torchy Tacos that is going to use Soundhound for their AI voice automated services. And that's going to be a lot of big companies who does use Soundhound, as we could see in 2018 that they partnered with Hyundai, Mercedes-Benz, and Honda. And for any investors who have yet to invest into Soundhound AI, I would encourage you to remember these factors. Their revenues are continuing to get better, so despite them being a company that is losing money, we should eventually see that flip into the positive range territory. 2, they're partnered with big companies such as Mercedes, Hyundai, and then we just saw the big news from Torchy's Tacos today. And 3, AI is the craze in the market, so everyone is always looking for what is the next big AI stock. We could really see this stock go off over the next couple years. So I would be curious to hear what everyone else has to say about Soundhound, so please drop a comment down in the section below. Please leave a like and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.